Sometimes, life becomes so heavy that even breathing feels difficult. You smile in front of everyone, but deep inside, you feel tired. Tired of trying, tired of waiting, tired of being strong all the time. And the truth is, no one really sees your silent battles. They only see your face, not the storm inside your heart. But listen carefully. This phase of your life is not the end. It is a test of patience, a test of strength, and a test of faith. Every great story always begins with struggle. Every strong person was once broken. So if you are struggling right now, it does not mean you are weak. It means you are growing. Remember this: dark nights create the brightest mornings. Pain creates wisdom. Failure creates power. And silence creates inner strength. Maybe things are not working for you right now. Maybe your plans are failing. Maybe life is not going the way you expected. But that does not mean your story is over. Sometimes delays are blessings in disguise. Sometimes rejection is protection. And sometimes what you lose is making space for something better. Stop comparing your life to others. Everyone has a different journey, a different timing, a different struggle, a different destiny. Just because someone is ahead of you does not mean you are behind. You are on your own path, and your time is coming. Yeah, you will face failures. You will face rejection. You will face moments where you feel like giving up. But those moments are shaping the strongest version of you. Winners are not people who never fail. They are people who never quit. So if you fall, stand up again. If you feel tired, rest for a moment. But never, ever give up on yourself. Because one day, all this pain will make sense. One day, you will look back and feel proud that you did not quit. The struggles you are facing today are building your future strength. The tears you cry in silence are watering your success. Believe in the process. Even when it is slow, even when it is painful, even when it is unfair. Great things take time. Strong people are not made in comfort. They are made in challenges. Right now, you may feel lost, confused, broken, or alone. But trust me, this is not your final chapter. This is just a turning point. Keep going, even if progress is slow. Keep believing, even if no one supports you. Keep working, even when no one notices. Because success is silent at first and loud later. One day, your hard work will speak for you. Your patience will reward you. Your consistency will change your life. So promise yourself today, no matter how hard life gets, no matter how many times you fail, no matter how long it takes, you will not quit. You will not stop. You will not lose hope. Because your dreams matter, your life matters, and your story matters. Stand up again. Focus on your goals and move forward, one step at a time. Slow progress is still progress. Small steps still move you forward.